Hi guys, welcome back again to computer class. Today you are going to study a new topic, that is adding transition effects. Adding transition effects. In the previous video you studied how to give animation to the objects on the slide. Today it's a new topic, how to give transition effects. So before that you have to understand what is transition effects. So these effects are, this effect appears when one slide changes to another slide during slideshow. So that means one slide changes to another slide during slideshow, some animation or some effects comes, that effect is known as transition effect. Or in other words, you can say first slide is there on your PowerPoint presentation, and after that we have second slide, third slide, like that it continues. In between the slide we have some movement or animation, that is called transition effect. Animations we are giving to the objects on the slide, but on the other hand these transition effects are given to the slide. Transition effects are given to the slide and animations are given to objects on the slide. Both these are different effects. So transition effect means that appears when one slide changes to another slide, or the effect or the animation comes in between the slide, that is called transition. You can understand with the help of a video. How can you give transition effects? First open PowerPoint. You are getting a blank page and this page is known as slide in PowerPoint. Here you can enter one title and subtitle by clicking inside. So let me add one title, first slide. You can give any title simply to make you understand. I have given the title first slide. And the background of the page is white in color. We can change it. Press right mouse button on the blank area. Here comes a shortcut menu. Choose the last option, format background. Format background, that is the last option, format background. Okay, choose format background and the dialog box of format background comes there. Here you have three options, solid fill, gradient fill and picture. Which one you like, you can choose. So here let me take gradient fill. Let me take the middle option or the second option, that is gradient fill. Here some predefined colors are there, choose any color from there. Predefined, that means already defined colors are there. Color combinations, you can choose any one from there. And you can arrange in different ways, like linear, radial, rectangular, like the different ways of arranging the background. Rectangular, and the last one is path. Okay, choose as you wish. So the background also changed. Of the first slide, we have given the title first slide. Okay, let it be like this. So after finishing the work, you have to close the dialog box. And click on the title on the border. You can change the font size. We can increase or decrease. Again, you can place it anywhere. By clicking on the border, you can drag and move it to any place on the slide. Again, you can change color, you can make it bold, all these are as you wish. So first slide is over. How to add the next page? In the home tab, you have one option, new slide. In the home tab, you have the option new slide to add the next slide or the next page. New slide, option is new slide. By this you will get a second page or the next slide. The page is known as slide. So click on that. You are getting different slide layouts. Let me choose the first one, that is known as title slide, where I can enter title and subtitle. This layout is called title slide. So let me give the title as second slide. So first one is over. We created the next page or next slide. Here also we have to change the background. Choose format background. Choose any color that you like. This time let me choose any picture from the options. So different pictures are available. Choose any picture that you like. You can choose the same time the preview is available on the screen, on the slide. You can see the slide also, background changes. So let me increase the font size. You can do any formatting like a bold, italic, color change, font size, any font formatting you can make. All these are up to you. Bold. So increase the size, change color and made it bold. So that it is very clear on the slide. The text is very clear. Let me add the third one by clicking on new slide option. Same, I am choosing title slide. Here we are going to enter one title as a third slide. Third slide. If you want, you can change the background color by pressing right mouse button, choose format background. And this time let me choose solid fill, that means a single color. I can give a single color as the background. So I have given green color for the third slide. After finishing the work, click on close button to close the dialog box. So let me change the font color to white. You can increase the font size. You can make it bold. All these are up to you. So 3 slides are over, first one, second one and the third one with the different background colors and different text. So next we can understand how to give transition effect. I told you transition effect comes when one slide changes to another, and we are giving transition effect to the slide, not to the objects. Okay. So click on the first slide, then go to animation tab. Click on animation. On the top side, you are getting different transition effects. Here you can see the mouse. As the mouse moves forward, you can see the effect, transition effects appears on the slide. All these are transition effect. What you are seeing on the screen, that is transition effect. And there you have a down arrow known as more, M-O-R-E, more. So clicking on that, you will get more transition effects. In the list comes only very less. Clicking on the more option, you are getting more transition effects. All these are transition effects. Click on any one that you like. So as you move forward or you are moving to another transition effects, you can see the preview on the slide. On the background you are seeing the preview also. Which one you like, you can choose that. All these are transition effects. We are giving transition effect to the slide, not to the object. So when one slide changes to another, this effect appears. So which is a preferred one for you, you can choose that one from the list. All these are known as transition effects. Transition effects. So choose any one. As you choose, you can see the background or the preview on the slide. All these are transition effects. So let me choose that one. So after choosing that, we have some more options related with the transition. First one is transition sound. Transition sound. Along with the effect, do you want to play some music also or some sound also? You can have it from the transition sound. Transition sound. All these are different sounds. You can check it in your mobile or in your computer. Wherever you have the PowerPoint, you can get it. Transition sound. Next one is transition speed. We can change the speed of this transition. 3 options are there: slow, medium and fast. Slow, medium and fast. Which one you will take, your choose. Accordingly this transition effect comes. We have chosen slow. So the transition effect comes very slowly. And again few more options are there related with the transition effect, and the next one is how to advance from the first slide, second slide, how the second slide should come, on mouse click or automatically. These are the 2 options, automatically or on mouse click. But by default mouse click is chosen there. You can play or you can have the second slide after the first one automatically also by choosing the option automatically and give some seconds. After how much time, how many seconds you want to display the second one and the third one. Okay, any one you can choose. If somebody is there to operate, you can choose the mouse click. Otherwise, you want to play this slides one by one automatically, you can have that also. So we have 2 options, on mouse click or automatically after this much seconds. So these are the few options related with transition effect: transition speed, transition sound, and on mouse click or. Okay, last, apply to all. If you want to give the same transition effect to all the slides in your presentation, all the pages, you can choose the option apply to all. Apply to all. We are applying the same transition effect to all the slides present in the PowerPoint. Or you want to give different transition effect to different slides, that is also possible. Okay. If you click apply to all, the same transition effect will be applied to all the slides. So let's see the effect. Transition effect, whatever we have given, it's coming on your slide or not. Then how can we see on the full screen? For that, slide show option is slide show. Slide show. Shortcut key is F5. So here comes, just before the first slide, one effect comes, that is called transition effect. Again, just before the second slide, you can see when you click, the transition effects appears. Yes, here comes it is. So second slide also came, third one also. We are given apply to all, that is why the same transition effect comes to all the three slides. Once again you see, how can you close it? How can you close the transition effect or this one? Okay, press right mouse button, end show, end show. So we are coming back to the normal screen, normal window. So transition effect, once again you see, before the first one transition effect comes, before the second slide also transition effect comes, and the third slide when changes to, the second one when changes to third one also transition effect comes. So this is a video of how to give transition effect. Okay, I think you people understood that transition effect. So you can give the transition effect from animation tab. On the top side all the transition effects are appearing. If you want to get more options, you can click on the more. Choose any one that you like and choose the related options like transition speed, transition sound or advanced, on mouse click or automatically. Very simple it is, transition effect. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Till then, be safe.